This video is about configuring IP prefix list in Commando Marshall C3500 series routing switch. So a prefix list is a name list of IP addresses. You can specify an exact match with the incoming routes and apply a common action to all matching prefix in the list. It functions like a route list that contains a multiple instance of exact match only. They are used to configure and filter the IP routes and are configured with the permit or deny keyword to either allow or block the prefix based on the matching condition. It is made up of an IP address and the bit mask. The IP address can be classful, network, a subnet or a single host route, whereas the bit mask can be numeric value ranging from 1 to 32. A implicit deny is applied to the route that matches any entry in the prefix list. It contains one or multiple sequential entries which are evaluated sequentially, starting with entry with the lowest sequence number. Evaluation of a prefix against a prefix list comes to an end when a match is found and the permit or deny statement is applied to that network. Although extended access list and to some extent standard access list can be utilized to match the prefix announcement. Prefix lists are considered more graceful than other routing table entries removal or denial or permission. So how to deny or permit any of the route to be there in the routing table? We will see the show IP route of this commando switch. So I want to deny this default entry. So for that I will do the configuration config terminal and IP prefix list ABC deny this 0.0.0.0/0. So I have created this list, and if I want to permit, I have to give the permit statement. The IP prefix list is to create a prefix list or add a prefix list entry. So you can see show IP route. So with this prefix list, we can deny or permit the routes in the routing table. So this IP prefix list command is a global configuration mode and is used to configure the IP prefix filtering. Prefix lists are configured with this permit and deny keywords to either permit or deny prefix based on the matching condition. A prefix list consists of an IP address and the bit mask. An implicit deny is applied to the traffic that does not match the prefix list entry. So prefix lists are configured to match exact prefix length or prefix range. The GE or LE keywords are used to specify the range of prefix lengths to match, providing a more flexible configuration than can be configured with just the network or the length argument. The prefix list is processing using exact match when neither a GE nor LE keywords are entered. If only the GE value is entered, the range is value entered from GE or GE length argument to 32-bit full length. If LE value is used, the range is from the value entered to the network length argument to the LE length argument. If both GE and LE are used, this means that the range falls between the values GE length and LE length arguments. So a prefix list is configured with the name or as a sequence number. One or the other must be configured with the help of sequence number. If the sequence number is not entered, a default sequence number of 5 is applied to the prefix list, and subsequent prefix list will be incremented to by 5, such as 5, 10, 15 and onwards. If the sequence number is entered for a prefix list entry but not subsequent entry, then the subsequent entries will also be incremented by 5. So we will go for the prefix list having LE value and GE value. So configure terminal, IP prefix list, let us say ABC, and permit 192.168.0.0/24 LE24. So and then enter. So they are matching, that's why it is not taking. I will change the value. So now it will take. So deny mask length greater than 25 bits in the route with the prefix 192.168.0.0 will be denied. So IP prefix list description, to add the text description to the prefix list, that also we can do. We can do it by the description IP prefix list ABC, and we can give the description or the name to that. It will deny the routes, So this name will be given to this list to remember for which purpose it is used. We can also add the IP prefix sequence number, IP prefix list sequence number, and by the command show IP prefix list will show the IP prefix list in the network. So you can see the sequence 510 for the prefixes RIP, OSPF, BGP, ISIS. And this way you can easily configure the prefix list to permit or deny the routes in the IP routing table. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.